It's upside down.
Can I hold one?
Yeah, here, you want to hold the birthday cake? All right, and let's make sure we can see everybody's faces, and this might be the thumbnail. Everyone go, oh! But I can't see your face. Put it down so I can see your face. Hey friends, welcome back to another taste test video with my taste test panel. So these are a brand new product from Beavercreek Rd. I saw them pop up in my Instagram feed, I think, and I was like, oh my goodness. And I went straight to the website and ordered them. They are dessert pork rinds. I do want to say right off the bat here that sugar is an ingredient in the ingredient list. So if you are one that does not have anything that has added sugar as an ingredient, these are not going to be for you. But I will say, so turbinado sugar is the sugar in here. And per serving, there are 6 servings per container. There's 1 carbohydrate per serving. So in the entire bag, there are 6 carbohydrates, and that's 6 grams of sugar. So for me, that's low enough that it still fits into my keto way of life every once in a while. Probably wouldn't eat an entire bag every single day, but a little bit every once in a while fits into my lifestyle. And then I think if the kids like it, it would be a great kid snack. So the most important thing is if it tastes good. Even if it fits perfectly in all of our macros, if it doesn't taste good, we're not gonna add it into our diet. So we've gotta do the taste test. We were starting with apple cinnamon?
Yes.
Okay, first one is appley cinnamon. I imagine this will be kind of like Apple Jacks.
Yeah.
Which you guys have never tasted Apple Jacks.
Appley.
You've never tasted Apple Jack cereal, have you?
No.
Okay. Oh, that does smell like Apple Jacks.
Oh, that
smells
so good.
All right,
it
this
cinnamon.
it smells like cinnamon. It smells like apples. This would be a great fall flavor. Okay, you grab one, and don't crunch it yet. Don't crunch it yet. Okay, there we go. Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Dink it. Up. Dink it.
That tastes really good.
Those are really good. Oh my
It
goodness.
reminds me of something.
Cinnamony. All right, don't eat too many because we got 3 more flavors to try. So we got pork rinds, cooked in pork fat, turbinado sugar, Saigon cinnamon, apple powder, apple flavor, and that's it. And it's 1 total carbohydrate per half-ounce serving. All right, next one. We're gonna do old-timey butterscotch. You like it? Okay. So don't forget the flavors because we have to say which one we like best, second, and third, like rank them. Okay?
I know I really love the apple cinnamon.
Oh man, that smells delicious. Woo! Smells like caramel. Oh
That smells
man,
like,
grab
a
one, but don't
donut.
eat it yet. Oh, it smells like a donut.
A caramel donut with like a
Yeah.
caramel glaze on it.
Oh, it smells so good. All right, dink it. Dink it.
That tastes like them too.
It's like caramel corn. I mean, it's not
Tastes good.
sticky like the coating as a powder.
Tastes good.
Wow, those are so good.
It tastes like, yeah, it just tastes like you scrape the frosting off of a caramel donut, like with caramel glaze as frosting. Scrape it off and eat it.
Oh my gosh. So with 1 gram of sugar, I was expecting these not to be very sweet, but they are pretty sweet. I think they like them. And only 1 gram of sugar in a serving would be that sweet. Like they genuinely taste like dessert. Wow. Okay, so I can tell you right now that if you're one that, you know, takes a bite of something sweet or desserty and it sends you off the rails, do not order these. They are dangerous for that kind of a person. Okay, cinnamon churro. Cinnamon churro. This one has real simple ingredients. Just pork rinds, turbinado sugar, Saigon cinnamon, and salt. So no natural flavors or anything like that. It's more simple.
We
Cinnamon.
can smell it first.
Okay. It smells like cinnamon. It's similar to these, but it doesn't have that appley smell. All right, ready to dink it?
Yeah, you can sing it.
Dink it and sing it. Ooh, look at all that cinnamon on there.
Let's do it.
Okay, ready? Dink it.
It's softer than the others. Like they're like easier to crunch.
I'd say the pork flavor comes through a little bit stronger on this one. The other ones, they hardly tasted like pork rinds at all. It was just dessert in my mouth. These ones, I can taste it a little bit, but not too much. They're still very, very enjoyable. All right. These would be good crunched up in a bowl with some milk, like low carb milk. And it would be like cinnamon toast crunch. Those are good. Okay, this is the one they were the most excited about. Birthday cake, right?
And it's close to my birthday.
All right, so the ingredients in this one are actually very simple also. Yeah, it's Renee's birthday cake pork rinds. Pork rinds, sugar, turbinado sugar, salt, and pure vanilla extract. That's it. That's all. All right, let's try it. Let's try it.
This one is good as my least favorite, but it's delicious.
It's so good. Okay. Smell this one. Smell this one.
Ooh, this smells good. It smells like the donuts.
Smells like donuts. Okay, yeah, put that one back. Don't get them mixed up. This one's the birthday cake. All right, grab one, and then we'll dink it. This is mine. Don't try to take mine. All right, dink it. Dink it. Sink it. This one tastes very sweet. Oh, I wouldn't say it's birthday cake. It doesn't taste like birthday cake to me.
Yeah.
I think I'm spoiled by the birthday cake keto chow, because that just like tastes exactly like birthday cake. This tastes sweet, sweet and vanilla-y.
Yeah.
All right, I think I know which one I like the best.
Wait,
don't tell yet. So this one's not bad. And so if you're wanting something with the most simple ingredients, it's these two, because it's vanilla and cinnamon.
Can everyone grab the one that they like?
Well, what if they like the same one? Okay, so we have all four here. Hold on. I already know which one you're going to grab. Okay, wait. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to grab the one that we like the best, okay? 1, 2, 3. I knew we liked the same one the best. Okay, so you like the apple cinnamon the best. That one was fantastic. And Renee and I like the old-timey butterscotch the best. I did not expect that to be my favorite as well. But it definitely is really, really good.
It's a tie between that one and birthday cake.
Oh my gosh. It's so good. Wow. So now you're just going to have a pork rind party?
Yep.
Okay, so if we were to have like a movie night or something like that, would you be excited to have these as the movie night snack?
Yep.
Yeah? Yeah, I think so. I think this is a great like kid snack. It's low sugar. It's got good protein in it. Of course, it's like collagen protein, so it's not a complete protein, but we need our collagen as well. I think this is a great option for a healthier snack, especially for kids. And if you're okay with sugar being an ingredient, oh my goodness, the crunching. If you're okay with sugar being an ingredient, as long as it's just that 1 gram per serving, and if you can control yourself, and keep it to, 1 serving, maybe 2 servings, obviously they can't. But if you can, this might be a great option for you. So anyways, thank you so much for hanging out for this taste test with us. Let me know if you've tried these and what you think. They're so busy eating, I don't even think they can say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Look at that face. It is covered in apple cinnamon. Apple cinnamon dust. Yours is too. But not quite as bad as Levi's.